you came into our clinic?
Yes, before I came into the clinic, I was always saying what or huh, or trying to get into a conversation that I should have been able to hear clearly, whether that be asking a question or just nodding my head even though I couldn't hear the actual answer. I was doing that a lot. My wife has been asking me for the last 4 years to please go get my hearing checked, and I just kept putting it off and putting it off and putting it off, and finally, after about a week of me saying what, huh, a lot, I decided to come in on my own and surprise my wife. It has been the best thing I've ever done. I cannot believe the difference in the ability to hear clearly and to understand words that I thought people were mumbling. It was just my hearing. It's been really, really cool. I cannot believe what I was missing out on.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for sharing that. And we know that there are 42 million out there that are suffering with hearing loss, and a lot of times they don't know where to go or what it looks like. What would your advice be to them?
Oh, call, make an appointment, get in here. It is amazing the difference you will feel, not only about your own confidence in a conversation with someone, but the ability to pick up words that you were missing out on before, or different tones. Like my son's voice was really hard to pick up, and now I pick it up clearly. It is going to be life-changing. It really is. It's an amazing technology that you should really be taking advantage of. I recommend it for anybody and anyone that thinks that they have hearing loss. Please get it checked. You'll be grateful and happy that you did.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.